Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to mention or tag all followers on Facebook page. If you want to post something on your Facebook page and you want to mention or tag all of your followers into the post, here's how to do it. First of all, go to your page and let's write something here. And now I want to mention or tag my all followers to this post. To do that, type @ and here you will find these followers. Just click on it. And here's how to mention all followers on mobile. On your mobile, open Facebook and go to your page and let's type something here. And the same way, just type here @ and select followers. Now, all you have to need just post these and all of your Facebook page followers will be mentioned to this post. And to mention or tag all followers in your Facebook comment, here's how to do it. Search for the comment and in the comment box, same way type here @ and select followers. Now, you can write here something. And here's how to do it in mobile. On your page, select a post, tap on the comment box and write here @ and select followers. So this is how we can mention or tag all followers on Facebook page. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.